Hi everyone, today is August 13th, 2017, and today's video is for the pi method that I'm using. In addition to that, I do use 159, and the reason for that is pi is 314, and then after that is 159 in pi, and it's just something that I like to use. Okay, so if you are new to these videos, what I'm doing is every single state, I'm just providing an example for certain patterns I'm seeing, and then at the very end of the video, I'll give you a few numbers for the potential numbers up to 7 days. For Wisconsin, there was a lot, so you might need to have a couple tricks to narrow that down. I just couldn't find a distinct pattern for Wisconsin. For Wisconsin, they do like Saturdays. And then one thing too before I move on from there, the next state I'll be working on is West Virginia. And I'll try to have it posted by Sunday. If not, then it'll get moved to the second Sunday of September. I think it's like 8th or 9th of September. I'm not sure with that date. Alright, so for Wisconsin, they do like Saturdays for this method. And then again, I am using 314 pi, and then I also add in 159. So the patterns I was seeing with Wisconsin was -1, +1, +2, mirror number -159. From there, a box hit, and then mirror again, and then -2. If you are new to pick 3 in general, this video is probably not for you. It's probably going to be very confusing, so just so you know that. And then the rest of the video, I'll just show examples from July 1st. They may not all match July 1st. I didn't want to reiterate for every single Saturday, from the 1st of July until now. So I'm just giving you guys just brief examples, and some of these may not work out, so I wanted to also show that. So the first one is 370. That one hit on July 1st. And on July 1st, just a moment, guys. Okay, so on July 1st, you had 370, you add in 314, you take 0 plus 4, which is 4, 7 plus 1, which is 8, and then 3 plus 3, which is 6. So on this one, 584 is what hit in the next 7 days, so I subtracted off -1 with that 6 to get that. The next one was 370 minus 314. And then again, using lotto math, you take 10 minus 4, which is 6, 7 minus 1, which is 6, and then 3 minus 3, which is 0. And that one did not have any numbers that hit. Okay, next one is 684, which even though you had to subtract off that 1 right there, you still want to use the original number, so that 684 right there. So 684 plus 159, so 4 plus 9 is 13, but you're going to just keep the 3. And then you also have 8 plus 5, which is 13, but again, just keep the 3. And then 6 plus 1, which is 7. On that one, 833 did hit in the next 7 days, so you just add 1 to that 7. And just a quick note here, and I'll show it in another example too, but in all of these examples, you could also add 1 to like set to the 4, excuse that part. So you could also add on 1 to like, the 3s. So it would make it like 7, 4, 3 or 7, 3, 4 in this example. But that did not hit this time. You did have 8, 3, 3 hit in the next 7 days. And then you also, so another way to also do the method is 684 minus 159. So 14 minus 9 is 5, 8 minus 5 is 3, and then 6 minus 1 is 5. So 535, and you did not have any numbers hit from that one. Okay, so on the next one, so that 066, that just came from, let me find it again. So 066 was from this one, from this 370 up here, because you just, yeah, that was the number that hit. So you're just taking 370 minus 314, which is 066. And then you also want to just do 066 plus 159, which is 6 plus 9, which is 15. You just keep the 5. 6 plus 5 is 11, so you keep the 1. And then 0 plus 1, which is 1. You also have 066 minus 159, so 16 minus 9 is 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. And then 10 minus 1 is 9. So nothing from those either. And then you mirrored out the 370, so that's 825 plus 314, which is 5 plus 4 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 8 plus 3 is 11, but you just keep the 1. And then you also have 825 minus 314, so 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 8 minus 3 is 5. And those two, you also did not have anything hit from it. The next one is 139, which you got from up here. So 139 plus 159, which is 288. And how you got that, you just do 9 plus 9, which is 18. Keep the 8. 3 plus 5, which is 8. And then 1 plus 1, which is 2. You add in the 2, so that kind of, you see how you can also add the number to that third digit as well. So that would make it 280, and that one hit. I just can't remember if it was a box hit or an exact hit. Okay, so you also do 139 minus 159, so that's 9 minus 9 is 0, 13 minus 5 is 8, and then 1 minus 1 is 0, so that gave you 080. And that one did turn into a box hit, 800. The next one is 511. Just a minute, guys, trying to figure out where we got the 511 from. Okay, so 511 came from... Not sure. Hang on. Oh, here we go. 825 came from, so it came from the mirror hit, or not the mirror hit, the mirror from 370. So 825 minus 314, which gave 511. And then just to figure that out, you just do 511 minus, or let's start with the left side here. So you have, 9 plus 1, which is 10, and you just keep the 0. 1 plus 5, which is 6, and then 5 plus 1 is 6. So that's 660. You also have 511 minus 159, so that's 11 minus 9, which is 2. 11 minus 5, which is 6, and then 5 minus 1, which is 4. So that's 462. And then for the potentials in this video, I'm not going to go through every single thing because there's a lot, and I don't know. If you guys want me to go into more detail with this, I will. Just let me know. But on this one, so based on all of that, the potentials that could happen are in the next 7 days. So one thing I did want to let you guys know, just something I noticed. Wisconsin, they really, really, really like doubles. I don't know if that's something like every single day, every other day, but I do know most Saturdays in July, they had doubles on Saturdays. So you might want to go back and just see if doubles, like how often they hit, if it's just a weird phenomenon with July. So based on that, I would definitely have doubles on the radar, basically. So the next 7 days, again, the potential numbers that I was seeing based on what I just went over is 033, 658, 708, 508, 425, 151, 980, 587, 445, 182, 655, 939, and 059. And I know that's a lot of numbers for just a week, but I didn't want to leave any out either. So you might want to just, if any of these grab you, then you might want to go ahead and research them and see what numbers normally bring these numbers on. If you guys do have any questions, just let me know in the comments. And then or if there's anywhere where I need to be a little bit more concise for you, let me know. And then again, the next state I'll be working on is West Virginia. I should have time to have it put up by next Sunday. But if not, again, it'll be the weekend it'll be either September 8th or 9th. I'm not sure, or 10th. I'm not sure which of those days fall on that Sunday. All right, so that's it.